Hello America, it's Kevin, America's favorite roofer with Honest Abe Roofing. We get a lot of questions about how does our products last a lifetime? Well, it's a great question. There's 4 criteria that all our products have to meet and adhere to. Evan, what are they?
All of our products are rated for 130-mile wind rating.
That's good.
They're algae resistant.
Algae resistant, nice.
Class 4 impact rating,
Class 4.
which means they'll withstand hail.
Hail. Big hail or small hail?
The biggest.
Big.
And
What else?
They're Class A fire resistant.
Class A fire resistant. So, Class 4 impact rated, the highest impact rating possible. Class A fire rated, the highest fire rating possible. Algae resistant, so you don't see any of those ugly streaks. And 130-mile-an-hour wind rating. So, let's check this out. Here's our polymer modified shingle. Now, these things are a lot like rubber, and they're beautiful. They come in about 8 different colors. Follow me, let's go. Let's go for a little walk. Also, some of the other amazing products we have are our stone-coated shingles. Check these things out. They are beautiful. We have 6 different styles, 20 different colors. Bam, baby. Bulletproof. Let's keep going. Check this out. Yes. Oh, looky here. Some standing seam. Oh gosh, that's gorgeous. We got some rib panel. Now, come in here with me. Check this out. Oh, look at those roofs. Gorgeous. And we just got these in. These are our brand new stamped, painted metal shingles that look a lot like slate. They're painted and they're printed with the slate appearance on there. Boy, those are pretty. Lightweight, give you that slate look and look amazing on your home. So, once again, stone-coated shingles. We have our painted steel panels, standing seam, rib panel, and also our polymer modified shingle, which looks a lot like everybody else's standard asphalt shingle. So, if you're looking for a metal shake, a dimensional stone-coated shingle, our stone-coated villa tile, our standing seam panels, our rib panel, or that new amazing painted slate metal shingle, or our polymer modified shingle, we've got it all for you. So, that's how we do it. That's how we guarantee all of our roofs for life. Products and labor. So as long as you own your home, your roof will last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? You need a roof. You're tired of fighting those problems every 3 or 4 years. So let's get a permanent roofing solution on your home right away. Now, so what's the next step? You can click, you can call, ask for Kevin, America's favorite roofer, and I'll come to your home and visit you. We'll find out the perfect solution for your property. So, let's get to work.